Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you change your KakaoTalk cover photo. So go to the KakaoTalk app. Now in the KakaoTalk app, click on your profile icon, and after going to your profile, under your name here you can see profile with a pen icon. Click on it, and after clicking it, click on the bottom last icon here, this one, and after clicking it you can just select any of these to your KakaoTalk cover photo, and after selecting any of these you can just edit the KakaoTalk cover photo like this. You can remove some of these if you don't like it, like this, or you can zoom it, and after finishing the edit click on the top right done, and by this you can change your KakaoTalk cover photo. So guys, that's how you can change KakaoTalk cover photo. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.